So, hello guys, thank you for clicking this video. So you guys are here to learn how to do Strangeland by NIKI and Phum. So yeah, I've been watching the acoustic sessions video over and over, and I've been looking carefully at her chord shapes and stuff. I did notice she was on the 5th fret, and so that's what we're going with today, and I'm pretty sure it's standard tuning. This is not going to be 100% right, but I am confident that if you guys play this, it's going to sound close to the real thing. I mean, it's not 100%. I don't know the exact chords. Hopefully they come out with that soon, or hopefully they release it just so we can play it properly. But yeah, just go ahead and grab your guitar. I'll grab mine, and I'll show you guys how it works. So now that you have your guitar, you want to make sure you're in the 5th fret. Right here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You want to make sure you're in standard tuning as well. My guitar is standard tuning. She starts it off with this, so you take your middle finger and you put it on the 5th string, 2nd fret, in relation to the capo, and then you take your ring finger and you put it on the 6th string, 3rd fret. So you have that, and you want to play E, A, and D strings. So you want to do that. So it goes. That's how it goes for the first 3 notes. And then for your next 3 notes, all you're going to do is easily just take your ring finger out and you just want to replace it with your pointer finger. Just like that. Almost like an E minor chord, but moved up. You're going to do 2nd fret, E and A string, but you're going to be playing the E, A, and D string. So this is your next 3 notes. And then for your last 3 notes, just lift up your pointer finger and you have your last 3 notes. So now, playing it all together, this is what it sounds like. And she does this little switch up, so she plays it twice. The switch up goes like this. So it's something like that. So she goes from like the first 3, the next 3, the last 3, and then she goes like. So you want to like hammer on the 2nd fret. So when she moves from So that's like the first part. I guess that's part of the intro. This is again based off the acoustic live version. It's not based on the actual song. So she goes off after, the 9 notes that we played. She goes off and plays this chord progression, which is pretty much used throughout the song. It's 3 chords, and it goes like this. So your first chord will be an E minor chord, just like that. Your next chord, you will take your pointer finger and you're going to be putting it on your B string, 3rd fret. And then your middle finger, you're going to be putting it on 5th fret, D string, followed by your pinky finger on the 6th fret, A string. And then lastly, you're going to be putting your ring finger on the 6th fret, E string, the low E. So it looks like that. That's how it sounds like. I don't know what chord this is, but based on my tuner here, it's giving me the root note of D. So I'm guessing it's like a variation of a D major chord. Our first chord is E minor, and then some sort of like a D major chord, I guess. Sounds like that. And then your last chord is your A minor 7 chord, and then she plays the A minor 7th chord with the pinky over on the high E string as like a something like that. So all these 3 chords combined and you get So you have that. So that is your verse and your chorus. The next part that she does, it's sort of like a breakdown after the second verse, I think. It's Phum's verse. And there's like a little breakdown that happens. And it's pretty easy. All you want to do is you want to go to your B string. And so the B strings go like this. So that's pretty much the premise of it. And then she just adds, like, I think, a note over here. Just like that. And then, so you go. Something like that. So you want to start off with your ring finger on the second string. What fret is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On the 8th fret. And then you want to keep your pointer finger on the 7th fret A string. So you have this and that. And then I think you just play this open E up here. So you just go. And then you move down. And then you move down again. You play that twice. So she plays it really quickly, so it sounds like this. So it sounds like that. And so if you guys play the 3 different parts all together, I'm just going to play them for you. Breakdown that happens at the end. And then you go back to your E, D, and A. So yeah, that's how you guys play the acoustic version of Strange Land. And yeah, thank you for watching. Hopefully you guys understood this. This is my first tutorial, so go easy on me. And yeah, thank you. See you guys in the next video.